Hello everyone. So I have this Ecobee smart thermostat for a long period of time, but I was being so lazy to install it. So since I'm home right now doing nothing, so I think it's a good time for me to install it. Alright, so let's go ahead with the opening the box. We have a little sensor. So it's very clean and neat, really nice. And I believe that this is the Ecobee smart thermostat. Put it right here. And this is a bunch of instruction manual. If you're not sure what you're doing, you can go over the manual. This is a bunch of label that is come with. You can use it, but I'm not going to use it because I think it will be easier to just take a picture of the old thermostat and then match it with the new one. So I don't think I'm gonna use that. Alright, so this thermostat comes with a large trim plate. So you can use this trim plate to cover the paint, like if you have any paint mark on your wall, so you can use it to cover that paint. I think that's a good thing. Alright, this kit right here is a power extender kit for home without the common wire. So we have some old houses that do not come with that common wire, so you can use this extended kit in that case. That's if you don't have it, but I haven't taken out my old thermostat yet, so I'm not sure if I have it or not. But it's a good thing to know that if I don't have it, I have this extended kit, this power extended kit that I can use for that C wire. Alright, this is a screw to screw it on the wall, and it also comes with some dry wall plug. Alright, so this is the sensor. If you have several rooms, you can buy additional sensor to put in different rooms. It's also comes with a little magnet. You can sit it down somewhere and put it on the top of it. There you go, look nice and neat. Or you can also sit it right there and put that little thing on the wall. It's up to you. So I think I'm gonna use this one instead. So this one looks very neat. I can put it on my nightstand right by my bed. So this is the plate where you have to connect the wires. See the little R right here. So it lets you know that the R, which usually the red wire, or C or H, that's gonna go straight in that little holes right here. And this G right here is for the ground wire. So this C right here is for the common wire if you have one. So if you don't have a common wire, and you decide to use the power extender kit, so you're gonna have to use the peak right here. And this W1 right here is just for the white one. So anyway. I believe this is it right here. Yep. So let's see what's going on here, because I only see 1, 2, 3, 4 and a jumper right here. So let's see what's going on. Ooh, I have 4 wire here, and I believe that this is the common wire. Since they didn't have to use it, so they put it right there. But this is the guy that I needed. Okay. So let me go ahead and screw this plate right here on the wall. Okay. Alright, so I was not planning on using that plate because I didn't have any mark paint to cover. But for more support, I had to. So the common wire goes the green wire. So you just push it right here. There you go. Neat and clean. Alright. So now the white wire is gonna go to W1. There you go. So the red wire is gonna go right here, and the OC, and the yellow one is gonna go to Y1. Nice and clean. I just put the thermostat and I turn on the power, nothing happening at all. So that's mean the C wire is connected to the thermostat, but there's a chance it may not be connected in the HVAC system. So let me go ahead and take a look, see what's going on. Okay, so this is the thermostat wire. Like I said again, it's 5 wire. It's the red one, yellow one, white one, and the green one. As you can see clearly, the blue one right here, which is the common wire, is not connected. Okay, so now I just connect the common wire, which is the blue one. But for some reason, I expected to see another blue wire so they can be matched, but in that case, it's not. So it's a red and brown wire that represent the common wire in this case. So I just connect them together. So let me go ahead and turn the power on. I mean, for some safety reasons, so I turn it off. So now I'm just gonna turn it on and see if I got any power on the smart thermostat. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen. Turn it on, and I'm gonna, oh, let's see what's gonna happen here. Oh, there you go. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. I didn't see that earlier. Okay. Whoa. Say hi there. We will guide you through the setup process. Let's get started. Let's get started. Okay. You have the tech wire connected to the OC terminal, but not the RH terminal. Is this correct? Yes, it is. What's next? Okay, this is the common wire, this is the white one, this is the red one, this is the green one, and this is the yellow one. That's exactly the way I had it. Okay, do you have any accessory installed? No, no accessory. Let's keep going. Fahrenheit. That's good. Okay, that's all I have. Remember the thermostat? That's cool. Why should I call it? My Ecobee? Okay, we'll get there. Alright.